Good morning to everyone present here.
We gathered here to witness the investiture ceremony of the School Council for the year 2024 to 2025. We take this opportunity to congratulate all the council members. Congratulations, dear council members. A big round of applause for them, please.
Today, 20th August, was really bright and clear. It has been pleasantly besieged by the dignitaries, teachers and students who had come to pay their respects to the newly elected council. And on this occasion, I, Shruti,
And I, Chaitra,
feel privileged to host today's ceremony. As a part of today's program, I would like to invite Sanjana Jasmine of Grade 10 Kaveri to welcome the guests of today's ceremony.
Leaders are the role models who inspire the followers, motivators, and motivate them to reach the zenith of success. This ceremony marks the induction of new student council leaders who will carry the torch of responsibilities in the discharge of various positions of student council. Good morning to everyone. I am Sanjana Jasmine of Grade 10 Kaveri. Investiture ceremony is one of the most important events of a school. It is here that we entrust faith and hope in our newly elected school council. Every student who obtains a leadership role feels proud. Today's celebrations make every leader feel unique as they shoulder a big responsibility in various capacities for the smooth functioning of our school activities. And it's my pleasure welcoming the guests of our school prestigious event, Investiture Ceremony. It is an honor and a privilege for me to welcome our chief guest for the Investiture Ceremony, Mr. KVSK Ashok Verma Garu, one of our directors for Chidi School, Vijayanagaram. We heartily welcome you, sir, in our Investiture Ceremony. On this prestigious occasion of Fort Chidi School, I am delighted to welcome our guest of honor, Mr. T.A.N. Madhu Garu, one of our directors, Fort Chidi School, Vijayanagaram. It is our pleasure having you here, sir. It gives me great pleasure to welcome our distinguished Madam Principal, Dr. Mrs. Raina Khanma, to the stage. She has been an inspiration to all of us and has worked tirelessly to create a positive and a supportive learning environment to our students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all the parents and educators and students on this proud occasion of our school. Finally, I thank the Committee of Investiture Ceremony for giving me this opportunity to welcome the guests of everyone present here.
Thank you, Jasmine. This is the time to start the program by offering our prayers. Let's welcome the school choir to begin the ceremony with school prayer.
Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Saraswati Namastubhyam, Varade Kamarupine, Vidyarambham Karishyami, Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada.
We now welcome Shashanka of Grade 10 Indus to give her welcome speech.
Good morning to everyone, respected parents, esteemed dignitaries, teachers, and my dear fellow students. I am Shashanka of Grade 10 Indus. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you on this momentous occasion, the investiture ceremony of Fort City School CBSE. Today is a day of pride, celebration, and commitment as we gather to honor and invest the leaders who will guide and inspire us throughout the year. First and foremost, on behalf of the entire student body, I extend a warm welcome to our directors, Mr. KVSK Ashok Verma sir, Mr. T.A.N. Madhu sir, and our beloved principal, Dr. Mrs. Rayana Khanma. Your presence here today adds to the significance of the event, and we are deeply grateful for your support and encouragement. To our beloved parents, thank you for being here with us. Your unwavering support and guidance have always been our foundation, and we are honored to share this special moment with you. Your trust in us is our greatest strength, and we are committed to making you proud by upholding the values and principles that you have installed in us. To our respected teachers and mentors, we express our heartfelt gratitude. Your dedication, patience, and guidance have shaped us into the individuals we are today. As we take on new responsibilities, we promise to carry forward the lessons you have taught us and to lead by examples. To my fellow students, today marks the beginning of a new chapter in our school journey. As we are here not just as individuals but as a united team, ready to take on the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Let us work with integrity, respect, and a shared commitment to excellence. And as we proceed with the ceremony, let us remember that leadership is not just about the position we hold, but about the service we render. It is a call to be role models, to inspire others, and to make a positive difference in our school and community. Once again, welcome to all, and let us make this day a wonderful one. Thank you.
And now, dear teachers, dignitaries, and students, you are going to experience the vibration of drum beat and rhythm of the march past.
Yes, dear friends, you are now going to witness the head boy, the head girl, cultural ministers, sports ministers, and the house captains and the vice house captains leading their respective houses along with their headmasters and headmisters.
The head boy, Mr. Nihar, leading the march past. He is our head boy, Master Nihar of 10th Indus. He is paying his respects to the management, the directors, Madhu sir and Ashok sir.
Yeah, I give you the permission. Go ahead.
Yes, he has taken the permission to lead the march past. The head boy is followed by the head girl, cultural minister, sports minister, captains. The first group is of Satavahana House, which is led by Shoaib, house captain, and Latika, the vice captain. And the newly elected council has reached the management. They are paying their respect. And now the Satavahanas. Satavahanas are followed by Gupta Group, Gupta House. The house captain of Gupta House is K. Venkatesai of 10th grade, and Gupta and vice captain P. Kartikeya of 9th. And Cholas are following the Guptas. Yes. The vice captain of Chola, D. Harshita, 9th green. The head boy saluting the directors and the principal ma'am.
Now, I humbly request our Honorable Director Sir, Shri T.A.N. Madhu Garu to hoist the national flag.
All of you please salute the national flag.
सामने से जय चल।
Good morning everyone present here. And it's a pride moment for me to be with the dignitaries here in the greatest ceremony of the school, the investiture ceremony 2024-25. And I wish all the council members who have been elected freely and fairly. Congratulations, all of you, all the council members. And without making any delay, I further take the opportunity to invite the head boy and the head girls and the other ministers for their respect and honor from the guests of our investiture ceremony. And now I would like to call the director, Ashok sir, to present our head boy and head girl with the badges and the sashes. A big round of applause, please. And I would like to call Cultural Minister. 9 fingers, please come forward.
Thank you all the dignitaries and congratulations once again all the leaders.
Now it's time for the oath taking by the heads and the deputies. And now I request sincerely our principal ma'am to precede the oath taking of the council members.
विश्राम ब्रेक सावधान ब्रेक ब्रेक कैप्टन पीछे मुड़ ब्रेक स्कूल टीम सामने से चल ब्रेक सैल्यूट ऑर्डर ब्रेक स्ट्रेच राइट हैंड
As the pupil of Fort City School, I solemnly pledge that I will take part in the school activities, respecting and abiding by the rules and regulations which govern them. I promise to serve the students' community with great respect and uphold the vision and mission of our school. We have taken oath willingly and wholeheartedly in service to the Fort City School and to maintain its proud legacy. Jai Hind.
ऑर्डर ब्रेक स्कूल टीम बाय मुड़ ब्रेक स्कूल टीम सामने से चल
Junior you can well really with his band.
Thank you. Congratulations to all the council members. Now, I invite our beloved principal ma'am, Dr. Mrs. Laina Khan, whose collaboration and teamwork made us to gain rich history and reputation for the academic excellence, to share a few words with the newly elected council and students gathered here.
Very good morning, everyone. Dignitaries of the dais, sir, parents, educators, students and council members. A warm welcome to the 2024 Invest Teacher Ceremony. My heartiest congratulations to all the members of the Student Council who have been nominated by a body of students. And it is essential for us to understand why among them they are the chosen ones. The responsibilities you have been given for the Student Council member and aspirations we have from you children. We have nominated and we appreciate your sense of responsibility and the aplomb you have conducted yourself while doing all these responsibilities. I enumerate the responsibility, children, what you have, and we want you all members to follow that. We expect the council members to have exemplary behavior, to work in the utmost sincerity and create a culture of compassion and reverence, not only for educators, the support staff and parents and the guests and for the fellow Fortians. Be it a class, whether it's a senior or a junior class, I want everyone to be vigilant for every activity happening in the school, and we create an environment so that it becomes healthy, caring, compassionate, safe, progressive and conducive to growth. You can promote only this once you practice yourself. We want you to grow as inspirational leaders, children, and we want you to live as an inspired life where you can challenge yourself and lead people to make meaningful, growth-oriented tasks. Upgrade yourself continuously, children, so that you fulfill the commitments and you don't fall on it. We aspire to believe in the school's philosophy and the work towards excellence by continuously making a conscious transformation in yourself so that you always stand in good stead. My advice, child, I must say, children, as I'm your educator, I'm your parent to you, I don't want you as leaders, you need to dictate, rather walk with your fellow Fortians so that affectionate and a collaborative atmosphere becomes the hallmark of Fort City School. So thank you all, wishing you all best of luck, children, and God bless you all. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.
On our lives. Thank you, ma'am.
If you want something you have never had, you must do willing something you have never done. If you want to have a fit body, you should definitely do something which helps your body becomes fit. Please take care of your body because it's only the place you have to live.
Dear friends, let us now welcome the students of grades 6 to 9 for their rhythmic aerobic performance.
applause, please. These students were trained under Mrs. G.V. Managama ma'am and Mrs. N. Lekha ma'am and Mrs. G. Bhuvaneshwari ma'am, Mrs. A. Prantana ma'am, Mrs. G. Prantana ma'am, Mrs. A. Padmavati ma'am, Mrs. A. T. S. Bala ma'am, Miss B. Janaki ma'am. A big round of applause for all energetic trainers.
This day marks the victory of our newly elected council members as we come together to celebrate the investiture ceremony 2024-25. I am thrilled to welcome our dynamic director Mr. Ashok sir, a person of extraordinary vision, a beacon of knowledge, a source of inspiration for all of us, to congratulate the council members and to address the gathering.
A very good morning to all of you. I congratulate all the leaders who have been elected, and I hope you're gonna do all your work towards Fourth City School, making sure all your colleagues are happy and making sure that you address their problems to the respective teachers or respective directors or any PDs, so that if they are facing any issues, you come across all those students in the class to make sure that any problem that they are facing is being addressed to the PTs. If it is related to the education, make sure you go and talk to the principal madam, if required to the teachers. So I hope you all know what your role is, and you fulfill your role very well. Make sure that you learn from this how you communicate with different students, being polite and not being authoritative. Leader doesn't mean ordering things. Leader means you do things in a way that everybody gets motivated and make sure that everybody follows you. So, and I request all the other children to see and learn how the leaders are doing things, so that in future you become the leaders also. And I can see the aerobic girls have done a great job. All the girls have been put in front of you that they are very strong and handle the heat that the sun is giving. And I understand all your students are very tired with this sun and all, but trust me, you are in future you wanna attend into this kind of atmosphere, so make sure that you are prepared for that. So the Fourth City School always make sure that you are into these drills and aerobics and all this, so that you become mentally and physically strong. So I hope all you work towards it. Don't sit in the home. Come in the sun. Make sure you do become strong. And in future you want to become IAS officers or police and people who work in the sun. So you never know what you're going to become in the future. So you should be strong from now on. So always make sure that you participate in such activities, so that you are physically strong and mentally also. All the best for your future. Thank you very much. Yeah.
It's truly inspiring. Let's give another round of applause for our director, Mr. Ashok Garu, for his insightful speech.
Designating a musical instrument in which the tone or sound is produced when some part of it is struck as a drum or shaken as a tambourine is called percussion.
Dear friends, our students of grade 6 to 9 are now going to entertain us by producing melodious sounds from buckets. Let's welcome them.
big round of applause.
These students were trained under Mrs. A. Lavanya ma'am, Mrs. A. Amarna ma'am, Mrs. B. Anjali Priya ma'am, Mrs. S. Rajeshwari ma'am, Mrs. M. Padmaja ma'am. A big round of applause for all the talented trainers.
That's all for today.
Before we end, I would like to invite G. Dinesh of Grade 10 Ganga to render vote of thanks.
I am Dinesh of Grade 10 Ganga. As we come to the close of this significant and memorable investiture ceremony, it is my privilege to extend a vote of thanks on behalf of all the students. First and foremost, I would like to thank our directors, Mr. KVSSK Ashok Verma sir, Mr. T. Madhu sir, and our beloved Madam Principal, Royana Kannan. We are truly grateful for the opportunities and support you have given us. A heartfelt thank you goes to our esteemed principal and teaching staff. You have not only imparted knowledge, but also instilled in us the values and morals that will guide us throughout our lives. You promise to carry forward the lessons you have taught us as we step into our new roles. To our dear parents, thank you for being our constant support system. Your love, encouragement and belief in us give us the strength to face challenges and achieve our goals. We are fortunate to have such a strong foundation in you, and we hope to make you proud as we fulfill our duties. A big thank you to our in-charge teachers and art and craft teachers who have taken on the responsibility of guiding us through this journey of leadership. Your mentorship and unwavering support have prepared us to take on the responsibilities entrusted to us today. We extend our sincere thanks to our ACOs, Ms. Subhashri ma'am and Ms. Gayatri ma'am for their extraordinary contribution in making this event successful. We also extend our sincere gratitude to our PE teachers, Mr. Madhu sir, Mr. Vasu sir, Ms. P. Geeta Sanan. Through your training, you have taught us the importance of discipline, teamwork and perseverance. These qualities are essential not just in sports, but in all aspects of life. And we are grateful for your guidance. A special thank you to our PE teacher, Mr. Rama sir, who restlessly trained the teachers in bringing perfection in parade and math class. Dear friends, educators and management, I humbly request you a big round of applause for him. It is also. To our non-teaching staff, we owe a special thanks and more especially to our practices. Your behind-the-scenes efforts ensure that our school functions smoothly every day. Give them a big round of applause. Finally, I would like to thank all my fellow students. Together, we have the power to make our school a place of learning, growth and positivity. Let's support each other and work together to achieve our shared goals. Thank you all for your presence and participation today. This ceremony would not have been possible without each and every one of you. Thank you.
At the closing time, I request all the students to stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे